Hi, this is my GenStone project. It is my basement steps, which come down directly from my living room. I originally had poured stone concrete walls, which I painted and dry locked, but gosh, they bothered me. I was most concerned because I have never really done a project, and behind each of my faux panels I have these raised sections where the two concrete panels go together. I spoke with my agent. He did a great job telling me how I could do it, and start with the corner, easy to cut. The big thing is, if you can measure, you can do this project. I'm a 68-year-old female. I really don't do that much stuff around the house. I did Dremel out the back of some of these panels. Put your panels on as they told you. You don't put all the ones with the ones or the twos with the twos. Use the proper adhesive. And I love the color. I picked that color because it matched my steps. And I changed out, I have to touch up here, sorry. I changed out these handrail brackets to pull it out just a little bit further. It's the extended neck, so that you could still get your hand down and not hit. I kind of wish GenStone had a video on how to do steps, as cutting angles was easy, but measuring angles, that again took a little bit of skill, but I did it. And I have a few things that I have to touch up that I haven't gotten to yet, but I'm going to, and if I can do it, you can do it. Love my GenStone.